Hi, welcome back again to Ann Weiss Music. You know, each day I have what I call a hero of the day. Most people are very surprised, but it's usually someone who goes above and beyond for no other apparent reason than they just want to be kind and they want to be helpful. And some of you watching have been my heroes of the day. And I got to thinking that, we don't always give people an opportunity to be those heroes. We're rushing, we're moving too fast, and we overlook giving people opportunities to be the best they can be. So today, we're going to open up our heart and let God love through you. Open up your heart, let God love through you. Open up your heart, share what you believe. There are those who search for solace, everlasting peace. Make a difference, share your faith, help change a life in need. The door of faith is always open. Show your faith, share your faith. The door of faith is always open. God's love shines through you and me. Surrounded by the challenges that meet our everyday. Inside we carry strength, resolve to live God's holy way. Listen to your heart, God's calling you today to lift the souls that struggle most, whose faith is slipped away. Today we change, today we start. Don't wait a moment longer to be God's love that's stronger. The door of faith is always open. Show your faith, share your faith. The door of faith is always open. God's love shines through you and me. God's love shines through you and me. My prayer for you this week: be someone's hero, and I hope someone is yours. Have a great week. Bye-bye.